Hi, welcome to another Bedtime and Beyond Learning Kit video. Today, we'll be talking about the color paddle kit found in your Deaf, Hard of Hearing Learning Kit. You get 6 color paddles: green, red, blue, purple, yellow, and orange. Children often enjoy looking through these color paddles. It's a fun way to observe their surroundings. They can take them out and investigate, and they're small enough that they can really take them anywhere. Color paddles are also useful for encouraging eye contact in young children so that they will direct their gaze to an adult's face when they're signing. For sign language for ASL, it's so important to have that directed gaze, and color paddles might be a fun way to do that. They can also be used for turn taking by placing them over my eye, your eye, and maybe a friend's eye. Many different children, individuals of all ages, can enjoy looking at the world through a green color paddle. And they can also be used for practicing color signs. And then, of course, we can later mix our paddles together, because when I have blue and yellow, oh my gracious, everything turns green. Thank you, and we hope you really enjoy these color paddles. Have a great day.